All right, guys, back on the 37 Packard. Don't want to hurt nobody's feelings. Bobby, just kidding. Clean up the deck a little bit more. Get ready when the gasket gets here. The rest of the head studs, because we decided to get new ones. And we showed a video of some already coming already. Yay! But yeah, working on it little by little bit. Getting there. Hopefully we'll get this bad boy cleaned up. All right, guys. Well, I'll give you guys another update here in a few.
Mr. Burns, Mr. Burns, how's your deck cleaning coming?
Pain in the butt.
Yeah, but it's looking good.
Yeah.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Yep.
So get that done. I think the studs that we have, maybe we'll place them today. We'll get them in and situated. Gasket set comes today.
Woo!
Thermostat came yesterday. I think it's in the mailbox. Gotta go get it.
Yay.
So
Let's go find out.
yeah, I'll go find out right now. All right.
I want to see it.
I'll bring it.
Okay.
All right. Get
Promise?
Yes.
Promise?
Yes.
Ooh.
You're like a little kid.
Packard.
Packard gimme.
Oh, it's Studebaker?
Nah, you stop with that. So look at that. Packard. That's too cool.
No, I like that.
Yeah, that's gonna make a cool picture. All right, carry on.
Get back.
We'll check back in a little bit.
Sounds good.